Guys, welcome back. I'm Carl Chapman from Wi-Fi Gear, and this is another unboxing video. This time we are doing the LigoWave 515 AC. This is a point-to-point or point-to-multipoint 5 GHz radio. So let's have a little look inside the box. We have the quick start guide, we have the radio itself, we also have a PoE injector, Jubilee clip. We also supply this with a UK mains lead for the PoE injector, but we can supply a EU mains lead on request. Also, I was just checking out where the grommet is, but the grommet is already screwed into the bottom of this radio. So the physical attributes of the LigoWave 515 AC. One of the first things I notice is it is rather smaller than its older brother, the 520 AC. In fact, it doesn't even quite cover up my face. So if you are looking for a ultra low and discreet radio, then the 515 AC might be your go-to. It is an IP65 rated radio, so unlike the 520 AC, which is IP66, this is an IP65. It's also 24 volt powered by the 10 watt 24 volt PoE injector, which means it's not going to work on your compliant standard 802.3 AF switch, so please bear that in mind. The grommet on the bottom conceals the gigabit port, just there. You have LED indicators on the side. On the 520 AC, they're on the rear, but again, you have your power, your indicator for network connection, and also the signal strength. Again, there is a pre-mode for connecting this to a pole. If you use that with the Jubilee, you typically connect this to a bracket such as the UBAM mountain pole. That's the physical attributes. So the technology in the radio, once again, this is a 802.11 AC radio combined with LigoWave's iPoll 3 technology. This delivers over 500 megabits per second. It comes with the 128-bit AES encryption and WPA2, and it also has a range of up to 7 kilometers point to point and 5 kilometers point to multipoint. The management for the radio, as with all the LigoDLB range, you can manage it via the LigoOS, which is accessed from a browser and using the IP address. If you haven't already had a chance to check out one of the LigoWave OS configuration videos, we do show you how to configure one of these in a point-to-point solution. Alternatively, if you're looking for a bridge-in-the-box solution, then Wi-Fi Gear do a pre-configuration option. You just need to email in to your account manager or sales@wifigear.co.uk what your requirements are. I did mention the management of the radio is done via the LigoOS, and now it's also worth noting about the warranty and support on these radios. So as standard with all the LigoWave radios, they come with 3-year warranty as standard. They do have a very low failure rate, but we do also back that with a very good RMA procedure. And because we hold stock in the UK, we can get those dispatched very quickly. That's not to say we can't supply Europe, because we also do supply all of Europe. So it's probably worth finishing on typical uses or use cases for the LigoWave DLB 515 AC. Again, because of its small form factor, these are very popular in CCTV deployments, especially when they are deployed on street furniture such as poles or street lights. The small form factor is one of the key selling points of these radios. They are also used in point-to-point installations for connecting 2 buildings together. However, generally speaking, the 520 AC may be your go-to over the 515 AC if the small form factor isn't the critical point. Reason for that is that the LigoWave 520 AC has a narrower beam width, which means it works slightly better at keeping the congestion low in those high congestion areas. So worth noting, your 520 AC is probably your go-to radio out of the two, and obviously it also has the higher IP rating, being IP66. But a small form factor is one of your key requirements, then hands down this is a lovely radio and far superior than many competing solutions out there. Okay guys, so that's the LigoWave DLB 515AC. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video and I hope to see you soon.